My life in Korea. Hello everyone. My name is Ananya, and I am from India. I am 25 years old, and right now, I am living in South Korea. I came here as an intern for a company, and this is my first time living in another country. It is both exciting and challenging, but I love it. Today, I want to share my daily life in Korea with you. My morning in Korea. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. The weather here is very different from India. In winter, it is so cold that I don't want to leave my bed. But I have to go to work, so I quickly get up, take a shower, and get ready. For breakfast, I usually eat toast with eggs or sometimes Korean food like kimbap, a Korean rice roll. Korean food is very tasty, but sometimes I miss my Indian food. After breakfast, I leave for work. I take the subway to my office. The subway in Korea is very clean and fast. Everyone is quiet, and most people are looking at their phones. Sometimes, I listen to BTS songs while traveling. I am a big BTS fan. I love their music, their messages, and their kindness. My dream is to meet all the BTS members one day. Every day, I pray for this dream to come true. My office life. I work in an IT company in Seoul. In my office, I am the only Indian person. At first, I was a little nervous, but my Korean colleagues are very kind. They always help me if I don't understand something. I am also learning Korean, so I try to speak with them in their language. During lunchtime, we eat together in the office cafeteria. Korean people eat a lot of vegetables, rice, and soup. One of my favorite dishes is kimchi jjigae, spicy kimchi stew. Have you ever tried Korean food? If yes, let me know in the comments. Evening time. My favorite part of the day. After work, I like to explore the city. Sometimes, I go to a cafe and drink bubble tea. Sometimes, I walk around and enjoy the beautiful streets of Seoul. Korea has so many pretty places. I also love watching K-dramas. My favorite K-drama is Crash Landing on You. Have you watched any K-dramas? If yes, tell me your favorite one in the comments. Night. Time to relax. At night, I cook dinner, usually something simple like noodles or rice. Then, I relax by listening to BTS songs. My favorite BTS song is Spring Day. It is so emotional and beautiful. What is your favorite BTS song? Let me know in the comments. Before sleeping, I call my family in India. I miss them a lot, but they always encourage me. They tell me, Ananya, follow your dreams. And that is what I am doing. Living in Korea is a big adventure. Every day, I learn something new. I am happy here, but I also miss India. I hope one day I can meet BTS, and I hope my journey inspires you to follow your dreams too. If you also dream of working in another country, I can share some websites where you can apply. Let me know if you are interested. Thank you for listening to my story. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Also, don't forget to tell me in the comments. Do you like BTS? What is your favorite BTS song? See you in the next video. Bye bye.